What is up friends, welcome to Team channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix Twitch app not working problem on your Samsung mobile or on your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra or Plus. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are watching Team channel for first time. Let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Twitch app problem, simply first of all just open settings application on your Galaxy S22 and just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.